How prepared are you for the SSC exams of 2024? Siddique Memorial Tutorial Home is offering an SSC 2024 crash course and model test. Currently, we're running an admission offer with a discount of 1,000 taka. Our course has numerous features to help students excel. It includes over 150 tests, daily examinations, and solution classes. Additionally, we offer a comprehensive model test for a complete preparation experience. Now let's delve into our packages. Package 1 is designed for those with a love for the sciences and mathematics. It includes physics, chemistry, biology, advanced mathematics, and mathematics. Package 2, on the other hand, is for those who want to hone their language and basic math skills. This package covers English, Bangla, and mathematics. Our classes will be conducted by brilliant and proficient students from some of the best universities in the country, including Pabna University of Science and Technology and Pabna Medical College. Classes will commence from the 25th of October, 2023. We have also arranged free classes from the 25th to the 30th of October. For further information or queries, please feel free to contact us at 0160 958 2230 or 0189 3056 361. Remember, a good education is the foundation for a bright future, so why wait? Enroll with Siddique Memorial Tutorial Home today and take a step towards academic success. In summary, our SSC 2024 crash course and model test offers 2 comprehensive packages with over 150 tests, daily examinations, and solution classes. We're currently offering a discount of 1,000 taka on admission. Our classes are conducted by skilled students from top universities and will start from the 25th of October 2023. So gear up and get ready to conquer your SSC exams with Siddique Memorial Tutorial Home.